Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex setups for this morning. And starting with Euro USD, so we did get the CPI data out yesterday. Nothing really came of it, to be honest. Wasn't a really good number, but we basically just mucked around in the range a bit longer. So we are definitely defending. If I get my mouse, we are definitely defending this level here at 107.662. But the minute we drop down to the 1 hour, look at how we are just in amongst the moving averages. There is no structure here. Look at the oscillators, they are flat. Nobody knows what's going on. Nobody has a clear indication of where the trend is going to be, whether it's a reversal back up or a continuation. So right now it's all speculation and guesswork. So for me, ignore it, leave it alone, wait until we start getting a trend established. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, nothing's different here. You'll see the beginning of the week we started down, we've come back, we've tried to close the gap. Probably closed the gap on a lower time frame, but on the 8 hour that gap is still open. So I would be a little bit cautious with anything there. And then the same setup here, or same situation, should I rather say. Kind of above the moving averages. You can see the gap is not open on the hour, it is closed. So it is open, sorry. So it is still open on the hour, so that is probably still going to be a magnet at the moment. But look at the barbed wire yesterday. And then this morning we've started off with a move to the downside, oscillators group here. I don't trust this. To be honest, I don't trust it for a setup to the upside, and I don't trust it for a setup to the downside at this stage. So we will leave the dollar well alone today. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen. We have at a break of a level and it looks like a retest. That's 184.251. Could be something brewing there. And if we just drill down to the hour, it just gives us a sideways pattern again, and you can see this is a massive range pretty much. We're not breaking below the level, we're not finding support. That was close there yesterday. So yeah, logic is still here for me. I need to get above 184.251, build a base there before I even start looking for longs. And I'm not interested in shorts because we have a series of higher lows here, and what that could lead towards is forcing it for a break to the upside. So that is kind of the bias with the oscillators and everything, but we are sideways. So until we break the level to the upside and come back and retest it, I am sitting on the sides. Moving on to Euro British Pound, another sideways price action, missing levels, no real structure. And if we get down to the 1 hour, you can see that was our level that we were looking for support on. We kind of got a half-baked attempt at it, and then we bailed back through it. So this 0.85998 is still very much in play. Could be a rejection brewing here, but we're in amongst the moving averages now. So that means we'll probably just range. So there is data coming out today. It's probably the wise thing to do is just to sit back and I don't know, enjoy the sunshine if you've got sunshine, read a book, or focus on something else. But there's no real opportunities brewing in Forex this morning at all. And we're too sideways and too many pairs. The indexes are sideways. Everything's all over the place. Nobody really knows what's going on. So I'm going to sit back and keep the money in my pocket. Probably safer, and it's also profitable. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.